Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I'm doing just an abstract. I have this big canvas that's been sitting around for a while, and I've really wanted to do one in this style, which I've never done before. So I thought I would give it a try. Here I'm just applying some heavy gesso just to give the canvas a lot of texture. And then I'm going to go in with paint, and I did this right before Valentine's, so I kind of wanted to do it all in pink. So I gathered up all my pink paint, and yeah, I did it with craft paint because that's what I have, and just started putting it all on. I start out with a chip brush. It's kind of a wider brush used for house painting, not really, fine art, but it's the widest brush I have, so I wanted to use it to get some real coverage on. And so I just go through and just keep adding, and I have several different shades. I thought I would use up some of those mostly empty bottles of paint, but I think I only tossed out one bottle, and I'm sorry I can't tell you the colors because I don't remember, but they were just random shades of pink. So once I felt like I covered up all the white, which I still missed a few spots, I decided to take a brayer, and I had this bright neon pink, and as I was putting it on, I was really liking it, but once I get it all on, I felt like it needed some toning down a bit. I'm trying to remember if this was white paint. It looks pretty white, but I have the feeling it was maybe a pale pink color. Or it could have been white. I don't know. I was trying to tone things down and give myself sort of a horizon. Well, and now, adding this dark color, we're just getting all kinds of crazy. I watched me create this, and I'm like, how did I end up with what I ended up with all these crazy colors? I guess you'll see. I didn't draw me a horizon line, so now I'm like measuring using the paintbrush to decide where that horizon line should be, so I'm balanced on both sides. Still think it's a little bit off. So now I'm taking just it's a little stencil brush, and just adding some more of that dark color in a little bit thinner line. And I'm trying to do what they call scrumbling, where you kind of rotate and paint on the side of the brush just to keep it uneven, but to give definition to that horizon line. And then once I do the darker color, I come in with a little bit of white or light pink. I think it might be white. And just add some interest to the bottom of this thing, which is currently on the left-hand side. I have it rotated. I needed to put some paint on the bottom of that. I was trying to get all the edges covered. Alright, so once this whole thing dries and I reorient it, I bought some gold leafing, and so I thought I would put some on the bottom of this canvas. I am using the adhesive and just painting it on randomly. I don't want it like even and perfect. And then we'll put some gold leaf on here as soon as it dries. So I saw somebody doing gold leafing, and I kind of learned this trick where you actually take wax paper and press it to the gold leaf, and it clings to the gold leaf so you don't have little bits flying everywhere. So I thought I would give it a try, and hopefully it'll make it easier to apply these pieces of gold leaf. I end up having to grab the little bits and try to make it go as far as I can. And you can see me getting really close. I was having a hard time seeing where the adhesive spots were, so I had to get in real close to see those so I could stick the gold leaf on there. So once I got it all placed where I wanted it, I'm just using a scrap piece of wax paper just to kind of burnish on it to make sure it sticks to the adhesive. I don't know if you have to do that, but that's what I did. And then in a video I saw, it says you take a soft brush and brush over it, but I've also seen where you take a stiff brush. So I went over it with a soft brush, and I could tell it was not all coming off. So then I go with just a stencil brush that's really stiff, and I lightly brush it. It doesn't need scrubbing. I don't want it to come off. I just want to get rid of all the loose pieces. And then I think a part I don't show you is there's a sealer that you put over real gold leafing that protects it, I guess, and keeps it shiny. So I do put that on there. And then my piece is finished. I've already taken it down. I didn't take a picture of it in its setting above the fireplace. It was cute, I promise. But I hope you liked it. If you did like it, let me know. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.